Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a folder in macOS. But before we dive in, if you are new to the channel, this is Sakes Infotech where we simplify tech for you. Please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. So to create a password protected folder in macOS, you need to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any of the steps, okay? So to do that, let me open my virtual machine which contains the macOS, and then we demonstrate how to do that, okay? So to create a password protected folder, I'm first going to create a folder on the desktop. So I'll right click on the desktop, and I'll click on new folder. Then I'll give the name confidential, okay? So to add a password to this folder, you click on Go. You're going to open Disk Utility, but to do that, you have to click on Go. Then you click on Utilities. Then you double click on Disk Utility, okay? So this is where we are going to add the password, okay? We are going to encrypt the folder with a password. So to do that, you click on the down arrow at the image, okay? But when you open the Disk Utility and don't see the image here, to add the image onto the toolbar of the Disk Utility, you right click on the toolbar, then you click on Customize Toolbar. Okay, so here you can drag and drop what you want to add to the toolbar. Okay, you see, drag the default set to the toolbar, what you want to add to the toolbar, the favorite, okay, the favorite items. So I've already added the image, so I'll click on done. Then I'll click on the down arrow next to the image, and then I'll click on image from folder. So it's opening. Okay, so I created the folder on the desktop. So you see confidential. So I'll click on the confidential, and then I'll click on choose. So here we are going to encrypt the folder with a password, okay? So at the encryption, you see none, meaning we don't have any encryption to the folder. So I'll click on the down arrow, and then I'll click on the 128-bit AES encryption recommended, so the default, okay? I'll click on that. And then it will ask me to set a password for my folder, okay? So I'm going to set a password for the folder. So I'll verify the password. Then I'll click on choose. Then I'll click on save. So it's encrypting the folder with a password, okay? Okay, operation is successful. So I'll click on done. Then I'll close the Disk Utility. Then I'll close the utility, okay? So now this is the encrypted folder we have with a password. So I can delete this confidential folder. I'll right click on it and then click on move to bin. So to open this confidential encrypted folder, let me double click and then we demonstrate. So you see, it's asking for a password before we can access the confidential folder. So let me enter the password quickly. So you can also remember password in my keychain. Okay, keychain, you can use it to manage your passwords. So we are going to click on OK. Okay, so now you see we have access to our confidential folder. So you can create a password or you can set a password to your folder, okay? If your folder has some confidential information or you don't want anyone to get access to your folder. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.